This is the class 9E and I have given some project and activity to the children. This is a review of previous chapter, that is the philosophy and guidelines of the constitution and diagram of judiciary. Why we need to review the class? Because it helps remind students of what they learn and develops a concrete ways for their learning, and it allows to transfer and skill from the different way. Okay, so students, they are writing those the things they know, they are writing in a different color. They are using 2 and 3 colors applying for this activity. If they know the answer, they are writing in a same color of the paper, and if they don't know the answer, they are writing another color, and they are knowing little knowledge about the content of this topic. They are writing on another paper. Clear? So this is the base method, and afterwards they will keep that card on their study table and they will work on it. If they are not knowing the particular content, revision, all syllabus has completed and this is the revision period is going on. Many times revision classes has already have been taking. So now some activity work is going in the classroom and students are enjoying to do so the different methods of this topic. So I hope they really will I hope it will really benefit for all the students, because they are developing a new skill and they are transferring their knowledge, whatever they have an idea. Okay. Students, today we are going to start a new method how to learn. Okay, the different topics of a particular content. Okay, yeah, particular content from a one topic. So first of all, bring your icebreaker speech with a half a minute introduction, telling to all your classmates what do you know, some basic content regarding a topic. Clear that? And if you want to hear to know about other information, you just pass the paper aeroplane to your friends, yeah, participants. Okay, now from the where the paper aeroplane fell down, the particular participant will explain the that topic what which you want to know. Okay, so let's start. I hope you all have each group make a paper aeroplane. This boy made it very nice. Okay, and this row number 1 already prepared, and this is the paper of this group, row 3, and they are in the process making the paper. Okay, so I have already called the first group, row 1, and the monitor of this leader of this group, please come here in the front, in the center of the Okay, center of the class, and you just throw it the paper to, okay, and the paper will fill the particular participant with the help of your friend as well. Okay, you explain the things. The topic is Nazism, the third chapter of your history. Is it clear, you all? Okay, now start. So paper goes down. That boy, yes. The participant number 3. Yes. Now.
I want to know Hitler rise to power.
He wants to know how did Hitler rise his power.
Hitler participated in German Workers' Party in 1919.
If you want to take help from any of your participants, you may ask. You have to just explain the 2 and 3 and the 4 basic lines of this topic. Do you want?
Hitler joined party, Hungarian Republic Party, and then can I tell you? हिटलर में हंगेरियन पार्टी को ज्वाइन किया था जिसका नाम बाद में नाजीज पार्टी पड़ा। वो अपने अच्छे से मतलब वो स्पीच देके मैं बहुत
Okay, the next term. Yes, now you start again. Next term. Okay. Again, it's well on the same boy. So pick up again and throw it. Yes. Close your eyes and now you throw it. Yes. Now this fell down to this second participants. Okay. So I have already given this homework. You must prepare this topic. So second participant of this row, you just. Yes, which topic you want to...
What were the negative effects of First World War?
Do you know the negative impact of the First World War? It shows that you people are not prepared of this topic. Any of this group? Yes.
The negative effects of the First World War was mostly subsistence crisis, economic crisis, and political imbalance in whole Germany. It not only affected Germany but all the world because it really caused a massive destruction in many parts of the world.
Very good. Clap. Give a big clap. Very good. Okay. Now, this is the last chance of this group. Got a 7 marks. 5 full marks and 2 from them. Okay? So this again this paper loves so much. Okay. So do you want to pass? You may pass. You may pass to anyone. You pass through the paper. You pass a paper. Okay. Okay. Now you give the topic. You give leader of this group.
Birth of Weimar Republic.
The birth of Weimar Republic all started dated back from the First World War. It started when people started knowing the importance of democracy and equality between them. The ideas of French Revolution and the socialism that spread in Europe encouraged people to know about democracy, so they opt for a democratic government. So this was the birth of Weimar Republic.
Yes, again clap for him. So row 1 got a 12 marks, 5, 5, 10 and the 12 marks. Okay, now you sit, you all, this group. Second row is going to start and this paper fell down, the participant number 4. So what is the topic?
What are the effects of war?
What are the effects of war?
War have a heavy impact on entire continent, financially and psychologically.
If you forget the answer, you may pass this paper. Okay.
They had a devastating impact in a psychologically and financial impact and those who supported the bank.
Anyone? Anyone? Yes.
Those who supported the Weimar Republic, mainly socialist, Democrats, and Catholic, were easily targeted by conservatives.
Okay.
Known as
So again you take this and close your eyes and throw. Okay, this paper fell down to participant number 5. Yes.
Birth of Weimar Republic.
Birth of Weimar Republic. Do you know about? Do you have any idea about the birth of Weimar Republic? If you don't know, you pass to any participant of your group. If you think, he may reply. If you don't know, you may pass it. You may pass it. No one is knowing. Okay. So again you pick up this. This is the 4th. The 3 chance got now. The last chance of this group. You may ask the easy one. Then they will reply well. Okay. Throw it, paper. This paper goes to participant number 2. So participant number 2, yes.
What is November criminal?
November criminal. You don't know. It shows that you people haven't read this chapter. Yes, you know the answer. Okay.
Those who supported the Weimar Republic, mainly socialists, Catholics, and Democrats, and the easy target in conservatives. They are mostly called now.
Yes, very good. Clap for him. Okay. So second row completed the task. The third row, this is a girls row, and the leader of this team has already took the position. So you throw this paper aeroplane to any one of the participants. They are standing in their position. Yes, and this fell down the participant number 3. So what question being asked?
Explain
Treaty
Treaty of Versailles.
of Versailles.
Treaty of Versailles impacted Germany. It takes its overseas colonies 10th population and 26% of go to France, Poland, Denmark, and 75% of its island.
Very good. Clap. Okay. Now the second, just throw it. Okay, this goes the participant number 5. Just
Explain effect of war.
effect of war.
After the First World War, Europe become a predator, become one of the big debaters. Weimar Republic, Prague and known as November finger due to the Versailles Treaty and humiliated by all the peoples in the Germany. After the First World War, government enforced and the people also enforced the man to be masculine and a strong. Army and French life is glorified by the media.
Very good. Clap. Okay. So now this is the 4th now. 4th or 3? 3. Now this again the second participants. It's just fell down middle of the second and the third. Those who know the answer, you reply. Okay. You just ask the question. Yes, please loud.
Explain the year of depression.
Year of depression.
Year of depression. Any points if you know, basic information you may explain. Anyone.
The year from the year 1924 to 1928, Germany saw some stability, and due to short But in 1928, the wall exchange street fell down, and the economic development of USA fell down by half. And in 1929 to 1932, Germany's economy also faced very problems, and there was less employment and youths were unemployed.
Very good. Clap. Okay, now the last chance of this group. No, only got the 3 chance. 4 chance each group. No, only. Okay. Okay, 3 chance. So clap. Big clap. They have performed very well. Now. Yes. This is the 4th row and the participant number 3. Just pick up this aeroplane. Yes. Which question?
Describe about Great Economic Depression.
Great economic depression. He doesn't know the answer, so he passing the paper to another participant. May hope he knows the answer.
Ma'am, after the year of depression, in the year of depression, on 24 November, I think 1929, there is 37 million of shares. 13 million of shares.
Next. Throw it fast. Okay. He got this
What is
paper.
Wall Street Exchange?
The name is the largest stock exchange in the USA.
Wall Street Exchange. Okay. Now, again you throw it. Leader of this. So this paper is falling down to the first participant of this group.
What
Yes.
is concentration camp?
A camp where people were isolated without any law of forces.
Okay. So give a big applause to you all.
26th of November and today's Constitution Day. Oh, what is today? That today is 26th of November and today's Constitution Day. Oh, what is it going for? Actually, in 1949, our Constitution was drafted and completed, and it included everything which a democratic country should have. Actually, it concluded secularism, fraternity, liberty, and gives us the actual meaning of being free. Yes, you're right. We are proud to be an Indian.
Is government in which the people elect their representatives, which represent them in different ways. They represent their problems in Constitution of India, where they discuss and find the solution of their problems.
Good morning, students. Today, during first period, we are going to start experimental learning. The topic is impact of British rule India. I have already taught in the class and explained each and everything. We discuss about our social reformers who brought many changes in our society. Especially this responsibility had taken by our educated members of the society, that is the middle class. Clear? So, what was the impact of British rule when Britishers introduced the education policy in India? Of course, its impact in a both way, that is the positive and the negative. So, whatever the social evils were existed in our society, how our reformers realize without this evils eradication, we cannot develop, we cannot be united, and we cannot fight against Britishers. This realization, realized by all the reformers. Clear that? So, in the experimental learning, I can choose any raw number, and related to this topic, whatever the contents are mentioned here, Okay, so you have to, whatever you know, okay, whatever you know about that content, particular content, you have to explain in your way. Okay, so now of course I would like to start the raw number 3. I think 3 is absent. 3 is absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, raw number 57 Ans. Okay, clap for him. Ans is totally shocked because he has not prepared. Okay, but I want to see, मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि in what way he explained, because whatever you learn in the classroom. So it is okay. It is remember or not in your mind. Okay. So what topic you will choose? What content you will choose?
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as architect of Indian Constitution. He is also known as Baba Saheb. He is untouchable because he is from lower caste, and he had to sit alone in the classroom on other side, and he
Okay. Very good. Very good attempt by the who? Ans Raj. Sit down, please. Now, Sanskriti, stand up. Your topic is what was the positive, either the positive or negative impact?
The positive impact. The English language united the people of India. It created awareness through the social and religious reforms. Educated women like Sarojini Naidu joined the national movements. It created ideals of equality, liberty, fraternity, and nationalism, democracy.
Sit down. Yes, very good. Now, Adhisri.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a social reformer. He was born in 1891. He was also known as Baba Saheb. He led millions of oppressed people to lead a life of self-respect and dignity. Born into a poor, so-called untouchable family, he had to sit in a corner of the classroom on a mat. He was the founder of the newspaper Mook Nayak, leader of the dumb, to champion the rights of the so-called untouchables. He founded the Bahishit Hitkarani Sabha and set up hostels for the Dalits and the upliftment of the Dalits. He is also known as the architect of India's constitution.
Very good. Now, in this row, I will choose, sit down, Tejas.
The British did not like the customs and traditions of Indians. They considered as social impacts. During the British period, Arya Samaj was introduced and contribution of the educations.
Okay. Very good. Now, to whom I will choose this row? All are very silence. Okay. कहीं मैम मेरा नाम तो नहीं कॉल कर लेगी. So, सबसे अलग आरोसी, stand up.
Negative impact of British rule in India. It created a difference between English-educated Indians and the rest of Indians. British textbooks glorified the British administration and philosophy. Education becomes the priority of those who couldn't afford it, and hence only the rich Indians benefited. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Arusi. Now the next one, Sanskriti. I think Sanskriti has already done this task. Now the Srishti. She is the most active student of this class. Okay.
Negative impact of British education. Rich Indians could afford this education because the British administration took a very high fee of that school, so rich Indians could afford it, and poor Indians or rest of Indians can't afford it. Second is that British textbooks glorified only British education, philosophy, tradition, etc. Whereas Indian culture and Indian literature were not glorified by British, it was prevalent from the Indians. Last will be that it created division between English educated Indians and the rest of Indians. Thank you.
Very good, Srishti. Okay, so whose turn will come? This row? No. This row? I think no. This row? No. So those who haven't replied and not knowing the answer of the particular content of this topic, they will write the question on an orange paper. And those answers you are knowing and you can reply confidently, you will write on a red paper. Is it clear? So both the question and answer, you write it. It means that red paper shows that you know the question and the answer both. Okay? And the orange paper indicates you that you have to do work on a particular question because you don't know. Okay, you have to work. So the orange color will indicate you to work on the particular question, particular content. Now the green, you know but little. Okay, so you have to know more about the particular content. So you choose the green paper. So Anay is looking me, है ना? So Anay को उठाते हैं. Give the chance to Anay. Stand up, please.
Swami Ganani Saraswati. Swami Ganani Saraswati was a Greek sage, a philosopher, and a society reformer. He established Arya Samaj society and also established Shuddhi system. He also opposed intermarriage marriage. He was a great supporter of child marriage system and women education.
Okay, thank you, Anay. So this task is completed now. Okay. Now one more boy is left. I think he will, of course, will explain in a better way. That is a hers. Stand up.
Social impact. This did not like the culture, tradition and custom of Indians. British considered Indians as barbarians because of the social evils in India. Some of the social evils are as follows. Sati. Sati was social evil where a widow was forced to burn herself on the funeral pyre of her husband. It was banned in 1829 by William Bentinck on the insistence of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Child marriage. Child marriage on the age of 1 or 3 years was banned in 1891 and again in 1829. The Sada Act of 1929 was fixed the age of 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys.
Very good, hers. Now clap for yourself. You all have attempted in a very well manner. Okay, thank you all.
2,
One.
First things first, and to say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way the things are bad. Oh, the way the things are bad. Oh, second thing, second, won't you tell me what you think it I could be? I'm the one and the sale, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO. I'll bookend from my youngest take my slogan to the masses, write my poems for the youth to me killing me. Heartache from the veins, take my message from the veins, take my lesson from the veins, taking my beauty to the veins. Oh, you make me a believer.
Very good. Clapping.
I'm stuck. लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो। लग जा गले हमको मिले